Even a legacy can't come back from a shot to the head. What makes her different?
Give it time, Mr. Unger.
Crux took over Vera's work, fidgeting with delicate cogs inside the sphere. The alien exhibited no distress when another surge emitted. Vera took papers from Crux's side pocket. She simultaneously reviewed the documents while tracking his progress.
Why isn't she saying anything?
Felix asked.
She is me?
While she is suggestible, easy to influence, her true self is...
Crux stopped working. He searched for the proper words.
Think of her as a blank canvas. Something devoid of meaning, without talent, delineated across the intricate threading.
Lights are on, but nobody's home?
Yes, Vera, though your phraseology is objectionable.
Crux put the finishing touches on the orb. It blazed like concentrated sunlight as he lowered his tools.
I am ready to begin.
Don't you mean we're ready?
Felix asked.
I do not.
Crux replied. Carrying the radiating globe in his red clutches, he advanced toward 11. Felix blocked his path.
Mr. Unger.
Felix popped his knuckles.
Might need some help.
Mr. Unger, should that be the case, I will summon you.
Vera snatched Felix by the bicep. He stiffened as she tugged on his sleeve. Crux waited for the door's latch to catch.
Care to speak now that it is just the two of us?
11 released the slab's edge. She watched as the color returned to her knuckles.
So quiet.
I know what it is to be lost.
Crux displayed his empty hand. Like hers, it was free of wrinkles and lifelines. When she tried to make sense of it, not a thought came to mind.
Would you like me to help you?
11's throat was scratchy from disuse.
Do I need help?
Oh, yes.
Crux answered.
Are you wrong too?
His eyes flickered as he thought how to answer.
Think us monstrous?
Crux took the hand parallel with his and held it tight. 11 didn't reciprocate, nor did she refuse his touch.
I am familiar, yes?
The others are too loud,
11 answered.
but not you. You're quiet.
Yet the two of us have never met.
Inching forward, Crux added.
Would you like to know why I am quiet?
Yes.
No matter the cost?
Yes.
Do you trust me?
Yes.
Crux firmed his lips to contest a knowing grin.
You say that now, child.
Keeping his hold on 11, he presented the glowing orb.
Skepticism is an admirable trait, one I am told you are quite fond of. If you will allow me, I wish to earn your confidence fully.
With this, 11 motioned to the sphere.
Its creators refer to it as a recollector.
Crux said. He studied the object.
Origins aside, we are not unflawed. This restores memory should damage occur. Fabrications can also be implanted. Subdue, delude, call it what you like. The current application keeps the subject docile.
11's fingers twitched in Crux's. He surveyed her free hand.
It calls to you?
Yes.
The strange man gestured for 11 to take the recollector. With reservation, her fingers idled underneath it. When close to touching, 11's hand retreated. She stared wide-eyed at the contraption.
Answers await you.
Crux turned the sphere downward, dangling it above 11's open palm.
No lies or half-truths. You will remember all.
Remember anything?
Do I want to?
Want is irrelevant.
11 shifted.
Should I decline?